You no longer have to worry about cleaning products or doing any house cleaning. Let in a Melbourne Maids take care of your home cleaning needs. Our all-female cleaning team will vacuum and mop your floors, clean your bathrooms, wipe your kitchen surfaces, and dust your home. All of our cleaners are local, experienced, reliable, and police-checked. We set the benchmarks that others follow. We are proud to announce that we have received a prestigious award from the National Australian Cleaners Association (NACLA). We are also highly recommended by the Melbourne Mothers Group, melbournemums.com.au. We take cleaning very serious. We put in all the hard work in finding the best cleaners. Our extensive know-how and perfected recruitment process allows us to have the best home cleaners. You can have a complete peace of mind that your assigned home cleaner will always be trustworthy, reliable and experienced. Not all professional cleaning companies are the same. Our managers, area coordinators and cleaners are locals just like you. This allows us to be more focused. We care about the areas we service as they are not just another postcode to us. Being close to our clients allows us to monitor quality and standards. Our home cleaning services are simple and easy to choose from. We only provide a focused range of home cleaning services. This way we can ensure our cleaners are specialists and do what they do best. We know our clients lead busy lives, often making it difficult to find time for the important things in life. You can now get your time back. Enjoy your freedom and experience the difference today within a Melbourne Maids, Melbourne's premier cleaning agency.